Lesson number 6, Price Chart Setting. As we learn how to customize the color setting of a chart, we will focus on other customization settings. To do this, we right-click on the chart and open Properties window. In the previous section, we used this window to customize the colors. Now let's focus on some important settings in the Common tab. Now let's explain the details of those settings briefly. When we activate the offline chart parameter, the chart will not get the new price from the server. Please do not tick this option to get updated prices. If you enable Chart on Foreground option, the price chart will stay on top among the other objects. Chart Shift shifts the chart from the right border of the window to the shift mark. The chart shift can be moved with the mouse horizontally. When Chart Auto Scroll option is enabled, the latest bar will always be shown in the chart, while it prevents you to make analysis about previous prices. As the shortcuts of Chart Shift and Chart Auto Scroll are here, there's no need to use these settings from the window. When Scale Fix 1:1 is enabled, it fixes the chart scale as 1:1. This means that the chart is not scaled by using upper and lower price limits. If this option is enabled, it may cause an overflow beyond the chart. Scale Fix option fixes the current chart scale. You have to type the high and low limits for the price in the boxes just under it. Bar Chart changes the price chart to bar chart display. Candlesticks changes the price chart to candlestick display. Line Chart changes the price chart to line chart display. While shortcuts of Bar Chart, Candlesticks, and Line Chart option are shown here, there is no need to use these from this window. Show OHLC shows hides OHLC line. If this action is done, an additional data line will appear in the upper left part of the window. By default, the bid price of the instrument is shown on this chart. If you also want to display the ask price, then you have to make Show Ask Line enabled. Show Period Separators options draws a vertical line on solstice. Show Grid shows and hides the grid view on the chart. Show Volumes hides the volume of the instrument at the bottom of the chart. You can add various objects to the chart if you've already included a description after adding an object. You can view this description by Show Object Description. Now please move to the next lesson.